Kalyan Jewellers Q3 FY 2026 update 42% revenue growth. Candere surges 147%. Store expansion continues. Kalyan Jewellers has reported a strong and encouraging performance for Q3 FY 2026, delivering consolidated revenue growth of approximately 42% year-on-year. The quarter reflects robust consumer demand, successful festive season sales, and continued momentum across both domestic and international markets. India operations were the key growth driver during the quarter, recording around 42% revenue growth compared to Q3 FY 2025. The performance was largely supported by strong festive demand during the Diwali period, with demand continuing even after Diwali despite volatility in gold prices. Growth remained broad-based across both plain gold jewelry and studded jewelry categories, highlighting healthy consumer sentiment. The company also reported same-store sales growth (SSSG) of approximately 27%, indicating solid organic growth across existing stores. International operations also delivered a healthy performance, with revenue growth of approximately 36% year-on-year during the quarter. Within international markets, the Middle East region continued to perform well, registering around 28% revenue growth, driven primarily by same-store sales growth. International operations also delivered a healthy performance, with revenue growth of approximately 36% year-on-year during the quarter. Within international markets, the Middle East region continued to perform well, registering around 28% revenue growth, driven primarily by same-store sales growth. A key highlight of the quarter was the exceptional performance of Candere, Kalyan Jewellers' digital-first jewelry platform. Candere recorded a remarkable revenue growth of approximately 147% year-on-year, reflecting strong traction in online jewelry demand, increasing brand visibility, and successful offline expansion through physical stores. During Q3 FY 2026, the company continued its aggressive expansion strategy. It launched 21 new Kalyan showrooms in India, 1 Kalyan showroom in the United Kingdom, and 14 new Candere showrooms in India, strengthening its omni-channel presence and expanding reach across key markets. As of December 31, 2025, Kalyan Jewellers' total showroom count stood at 469 stores globally, including 318 Kalyan showrooms in India, 38 in the Middle East, 2 in the USA, 1 in the UK, and 110 Candere showrooms. This expanding footprint positions the company well to capture future growth opportunities across domestic and international jewelry markets. Overall, Q3 FY 2026 reflects strong execution, resilient consumer demand, rapid digital growth through Candere, and a continued focus on strategic expansion, reinforcing Kalyan Jewellers' Long-term growth outlook. Stay tuned to Bazaar Buzz for more business updates, electronics sector news, and company-specific developments from India's manufacturing space.